Divide using synthetic division. Let's set up our synthetic division problem. We have n plus 2 is going to be divided from n cubed plus 7n squared plus 14n plus 3. Fortunately, everything is in order the way we want it to be. We're not missing anything in between. All is well, we can do the problem. Now the way we start this off is we say n times what gets me n to the third power? Well, n times n squared gets me n to the third power, so write n squared right above there. Take that n squared and multiply it to this entire factor here. So n squared times n is n cubed. N squared times 2 is 2n squared. Now, once we do that, we subtract the entire row here, which means flip all the signs. So u now become a minus. U will always go away. 7n squared minus 2n squared is 5n squared. Drop down the 14n, the positive 14n, and repeat the process. N times what is 5n squared? Well, n times 5n is 5n squared. Take that 5n, multiply to that whole factor. 5n times n is 5n squared. 5n times 2 is 10n. Subtract the entire row, which means flip the signs. You will always go away. 14n minus 10n is 4n. Drop down the plus 3. One more time. N times what is 4n? N times 4 is 4n. Take that 4 and multiply it to both of these. N times 4 is 4n. 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract the entire row, which means flip the signs. And we end up with u going away. 3 minus 8 is negative 5. So I'm going to have a remainder of negative 5. Now for some classes and for some teachers, this might be acceptable. If you have a teacher that says nope, then your answer is going to be n squared plus 5n plus 4 plus negative 5 over the factor, n plus 2. Okay, so either one of these is acceptable. It's just it all depends on what class you have and what teacher you might have and, stuff like that.